Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Close the camera and clear temporary glitches. First, turn portrait mode off, then force close the camera app by swiping up and pausing. Once done, reopen camera and test in good light. This often resets the depth system. If the viewfinder remains black or portrait blur persists, make sure to restart the iPhone to flush background services. Restarting addresses most transient software hangs that block the true depth and focus algorithms. Next, verify the settings and physical access. Open Settings, go to Camera and confirm permissions and formats. Ensure HEIF/HEVC isn't causing conflicts. Once done, inspect and gently clean the triple lens cluster with a microfiber cloth. Oil or dust can mislead the focus and depth sensors. If problems persist, reset camera settings via Settings to restore defaults that control depth mapping. These steps fix configuration conflicts and finish by updating system software and testing conditions. First, install any available iOS update because camera drivers and depth algorithms improve with patches. Then, photograph a subject 1 to 2 meters away in steady, well-lit contrast. Portrait mode needs clear subject separation to compute depth. If portrait mode still fails after updates, back up your iPhone and try a factory reset as a last resort. If that doesn't help, contact Apple support or visit a Genius Bar, since it may be a hardware fault with the depth sensor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.